our jerseys were midnight blue. We picked that, and it really turned out to be a great combination. My last 5 years of coaching, we went on to win 5 straight conference championships.
Right here in the middle of the season, 6-0. You guys got that?
Yes, go.
Hey, there's a lot to be said about that. That's a tribute to the hard work that you guys have put in. All right? I'll tell you right now, we do 3 things in this game. We're hosting that trophy over our heads. You understand?
Yes, go.
You guys understand that? We gotta have each other's back. We gotta fight. You guys watch that video?
Yes, go.
That video was a perfect example of who this team is and what this team has become over this season. You guys understand that?
Yes, coach.
I'll tell you right now, we do 3 things in this game. We're hosting that trophy over our heads. You understand?
Yes, coach.
Those 3 things are: we need to block. We block, we're in great position. Okay, we need to tackle. Third thing is we gotta protect the football. It's literally that simple, guys. Can we do those 3 things?
Yes, coach.
We do those 3 things. We'll block all this noise out, all this extra nonsense. It's another day at the office. You guys have been trained. You guys are seasoned veterans at this point in the season. You understand?
Yes, coach.
We're properly prepared. You won't see anything we haven't prepared you for. We won't ask you to run anything we haven't prepared you for. Deal?
Yes, coach.
It's time to go get it, boys. It's time to go out there and show everybody who the T-Birds are. You guys got that?
Yes, coach.
You guys got that?
Yes, coach. Hit the fucking ball line! Deep